I'm feeling free with our bodies together as I breathe. I'm lighter than a feather when I'm with you all day, all day, all night. Every moment so good, so good. Got something so sweet, yeah, it's charming. Make me wanna see you more every day. Go down like a tree, night and morning. Maybe you're the one who I want to stay. So tell me if you feel this, baby. My mind is running crazy, 'cause no one has made me feel this way.
Hi guys! Welcome back to another travel vlog! For today's travel, I'm going back to Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, and I'm just so grateful. Thank you, Lord, for this opportunity. Thank you, Lord, for this blessing na I can go back to a country na napuntahan ko na before. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, guys. So, second time ko palang pupunta sa Ho Chi Minh or Saigon kasi last time, talagang jump pack lang kami. Like, 2 full days. Parang hindi nga 2 full days. Parang 1.5 full days lang kami sa Ho Chi Minh City. Kaya naman, ngayon, susulitin ko siya. We will be staying there for 6 days, guys. 6 days. Yep. So, this time, I wanted to do things differently. Last time kasi na I was there, we used yung pocket wifi. And guys, sobrang na-hassle talaga kami. Like, na-stress kami, nawawala ng internet, nalolobat siya, ang dami namin nakakonect, mabagal yung internet, ang daming problema na naranasan namin dahil sa pocket wifi na yun. So, this time, I actually bought an eSIM through Airalo, guys. If you guys know that one. So, before leaving, I already purchased yung eSIM ko in advance using the Airalo app. And I wanted to make sure na once I arrive there, nakakonect na ako agad. Hindi ko na kailangan pumila, hindi ko na kailangan mag-setup pa or yung kapag nag-physical SIM pa, ganun. So, what I did was, I just downloaded the Airalo app and selected Vietnam. Tapos, nag-choose lang ako ng data plan ko, which is 3 GB Vietnam plan. It's enough lang siya for maps, booking rides, at saka mga daily internet use ko. Tapos, ang ginawa ko, I just installed the eSIM and activated it. And guys, it was super straightforward lang. Sobrang basic lang ng steps niya. And why didn't I do this nung first time namin nag-travel sa Vietnam? And I got it for $5, guys, using just my code. So, if you're traveling soon like me, na paalis na tomorrow. So, I'm excited, nakapack na ako and everything else. You can download the Airalo app through the promo link down in the description box. Or, you can scan this QR code para mas madali nyong ma-download yung Airalo app. You can actually use my promo code RachelG3 for $3 off your first purchase. It's super convenient, guys. And you don't have to worry about yung mga roaming fees na dati nyong inaalala before. So, ayun lang. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm so ready for Vietnam! Let's go! Hi, guys! We're going to Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. Again, this is my second time. Yung oras ngayon ay 8:47. Baka yung boarding namin 9 p.m. So, gate 104 kami. This is our food. Oh, lalo. Okay. Oo. Ano yung sa'yo, Achi? Burger? Prepare tayo, shock burger. We're boarding na. Bye! Hey, we're here. We're finally here. Yay! We're here. Ang tagal naman ng akin. Booking! Booking na kami ng Grab. Yep.
Pa-airdrop na lang. Ah, diba? So, kapag umubo ka sa Meander, or like within the area, may 20% off sila. Malaki din ah.
Parang nandun siya sa may banda. Ayan, no? We made it here. Name under her. Pasaporte. Tinago ko na pa naman yung akin.
Ganun ka na.
Room tour! Nandito kami sa Meander Hotel. So, i-tour ko kayo kung anong itsura ng aming hotel. Room tour. So, ito yung amin ni Koy. Ayan, may salamin lang kami. May sink. Sink dyan. And then, yung coffee corner. Coffee corner dyan din. May mini ref dito sa baba. And then, ito yung itsura ng room namin. Wow! So pretty. Chair. Ayan, relaxations. May bathtub kami. Ang ganda siguro neto kapag umaga. Ito na. CR. This is the shower. Ay, social, Japanese, yung toilet. Yeah. So, this is our whole. Ayan. Yung kwarto ni na Jo. Ay, ang cute! Ang cute! Ang cute! Good night! This is my outfit for today. This is my bag. This is the dress na DIY ko, guys. Tignan niyo. Oh. Long dress dapat to, pero ginawan ko ng paraan para sa iyo.
Basta ikaw.
Ngayon yung boots. Ayan. So, magbihis na tayo. Hi guys! Good morning! Today is day 1 here in Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. And ang agenda namin ngayon ay magkape, mag-shopping. Ayan, samahan nyo kami. So, this is my fit for day 1, guys. This one. So, dress is from Shein. Boots is from Revolve. Bag is from Shein. Yan. Tapos accessories lang yung minimal. So, pababa na kami. Pupunta kami ng lobby. Yan yung aming... Ito yung co-working space, guys. Ayan o, may slide kami dyan. So, guys, meron kaming slide dito sa hotel namin. And it's giving death row. Ayan siya, guys. Ito yung slide. Parang nakakatakot. Tignan niyo yung curvature. Ito yung tsura ng entrance, guys. Ito yung slide. Ito yung aming hotel, guys. Sobrang ganda. So, yan, guys. We're just waiting for Joanna. Ang agenda namin ngayong umaga ay pupunta kami ng Little Hanoi. And then, shopping. Second is Waa Studios. Shopping and then Pho Vietnam. Naghahanap kami ng makakainan kasi gutom na kami. So, pupunta kami dito sa mini stop. Ano gusto ko?
Nakalopan.
Ayan pala, crabs. Teriyaki chicken. Ako to. Kraage sandwich ang ating napusuan. First meal of the day. Sarap. First stop, Little Hanoi, guys. Tara! Let's go. So, try namin egg coffee pa rin. This is 40,000 dong.
Egg matcha.
Ito lang ako, basic. So, yung kukunin ko ay basic egg benedict. 140,000 dong.
Yeah, I want.
That's it.
Yes, okay.
Nandito na yung order namin. Cheers! Ito na yung orders namin. It's so nice.
Lagay niyo dito yung avocado toast. Ito siya basic something.
So, this is basic egg benedict. Try na natin to.
Egg coffee.
Tikman na natin ulit ang ating egg coffee. In fairness dito sa ano nila, sarap. Doon na kaming kumain. Guys, papunta kami mga studios. Grabe naman.
ang atake dito.
Ikaw yun, ikaw yun. Siya ang aming mapa. First destination, wow. Let's go in. So, nandito kami sa wow. Yan na. Ay, ang cute na ito. So, we're walking na ulit. Papunta naman kami sa bangko para mag-withdraw. 6 minutes walk. Dito siya left, di ba? Dito kami mag-withdraw, guys. VP Bank. Naka-withdraw na kami, 5 million Vietnamese dong. Hati kami ni Joe. Bale, tag 2.5 million kami.
11,000 in pesos.
Nag-withdraw na kami. Maghahati na kami ni Joe. You have 500,000, 500,000, 5, 6, 7. Guys, tapos kami nag-withdraw. Now we're going to Nguyen Thai Tin for shop. Store Compound Garment. Guys, we're on streetwear shop. Hanap kami ng clothes here. This one is 850,000, guys. Look. This is nice. 990. Parang 2K plus din siya. Bags din sila. Ang gaganda ng selections ng pants nila. Ganda ng quality. Nakikisilip sa'yo. Ay, ang cute din nito.
Ay, ang cute nga yan. Darang thermal wear.
Uy, 520. Like Jenny.
Sa mirror.
Pangit. Parang oversized sobra. Like Jenny. Ito siya, guys. Pero para kasing ang unique niya, no? Ay, bagong stock naman ang kukunin.
Bagay din doon yung pagkakulay niya. Bagay yung red. With your hair.
Nabubudol na tayo. This is it. Thank you. Oh, image done. Guys, eto na. Sakit. Ang ganda, guys.
No? Parang
Bumalik kami sa hotel! Sino kasama ko?
Ang mga tsantahin.
Medyo masakit sa paa yung boots ko kasi pag ganun siya sa dulong. So, ayun. Pahinga lang kami saglit and then puntahan na namin yung aming mga anak. We're here at Pho Vietnam. It's a Michelin star. Michelin ga.
Sa Michelin.
Basta Michelin. Thank kay Koy. This is mine. The Wagyu 1C5, 1C6.
C5 and C6?
Yep. Kapag-order na kami, guys. So, we're just waiting for the order. Guys, ito na agad yung order namin. This one's for Koy. This one's mine.
Number 6.
Yeah. Thank you. Wow. Eat pa. Hindi tayo nakapag-ano. Pa. So, ito yung meat.
Yun sa labas.
Then, naglalagay na tayo ng herbs. Do you want toge? Yung basta matapang siya na amoy. Ito na yung pho. Looks good. Taste test. Yung naglagay ka na ng other, ano? Tikman ko muna siya alone.
Soup muna. It's like a warm hug.
Gusto ko ng manghang. It's good. It's so good. Sarap. Alinamnam ng ano niya, no? Lasa. We're enjoying our food, guys. Naubos ko siya, guys. So, done na kami nag-pho, guys. We're walking going to Libe. We're walking. First stop, Libe. Let's go. Ito yung store, Libe, guys. Wow, this is so pretty. Ayan, mabubudol po ba siya or hindi? First store, wala kami nagustuhan. Next, Dear Jose. Here's the next one. Very baby girl ang atake dito.
Very joke.
Oo, pang-event. Next, kiddo wear. See flashlights naman. We're here at the third store, Kiddo store kami. Diba? It's fantasy.
Kanina na wala akong video.
Next store, Seco D. Wow. Oh, this is so nice. Dito kami next, Gap de June. CIU. Dalawa lang yun? Wala kayong nabili sa Elsol?
Meron. Twinning kami.
So, bibilin ko yung shorts. Yung top, hindi na. So, I got one. Next, OLV. Magti-try on na tayo, guys. Ito yung una, guys. What do you guys think? Is it cute? Ito yung pangalawa. Ito yung isa, guys. Parang hindi ako to.
May mga ganyan ka namang damit.
This is so nice. I like it. It's so cute. Comfy. Guys, I got 3 items here.
Last na guys. Last na dito sa District 1 na street na to.
Team 4. So, guys, tatry ko yung black white version ng last time na binili ko dito sa Team 4. So, ito siya. Maluwag siya. Something like this. Done na kami, guys. Damage done.
Let's go with it.
Ano yan? Anong kaganapan?
Diba? Kait na siya. Natatakpan lang kasi Jo. Parang wala na siya here.
Doon kami kakain, guys. So, wala pa tayong rice. Wala ba yung parang may flavor yung rice? Eto na ang aming order.
Vida é água que corre, que o rio não seca, de brotar, criar, inovar, desde
Wala lang lasa. Hi guys! Day 2 here in Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. Nag-order lang kami ng banh mi for breakfast sa Grab. Yan. So, let's get our banh mi sa baba. Thank you! Yay! Banh mi secured! Ito naman. Yay! We're gonna eat banh mi. Open. This is how we start day 2. Hindi. Blind ba? Blind ba? Biglang may tao sa likuran ko. Baon mo hanggang mamayang gabi. So, kakain tayo ng banh mi, guys. May floss na siya. And some cucumbers. Greens. So, it looks like this, guys. Ito yung inside niya. Ta-da! Wala pa na ito kakagatin. Sarap! Talaga? Hi guys! So, naka-ready na kami. This is my outfit, guys. Like your very rich tita. Like this. Then, naka-chinelas lang ako. So, this is the whole look. So, our agenda for today is magkakong cafe. Pupunta kami ng Book Street and also yung Central Post Office nila, Buncha. Shopping! Again and again and again. Guys, we're walking now. We're going to Kong Cafe. 9 minutes walk lang siya papunta from our hotel. Ito siya, entrance ng Kong Cafe. Guys, we just ordered. Nandito na kami sa Kong Cafe, guys. Naka-order na rin kami. Wow.
Coconut chip and coconut coffee with coconut chip.
Wow! Wow! This is our order. Nag-order din kami ng ganito, guys. This is also nice. How about yours? It's nice? The croissant. You just need to dip it. Oh. Walking lang kami. Next naman na pupuntahan namin, Danube Playground. Dito lang din siya, para siyang clothing store. Magkatabi lang naman. Next, pababa siya. So, ako. Para daw sa jowa. Wala tayong jowa. Para sa akin to.
Comment down below if you wanna apply.
Di ba maganda? Kasi ano siya? Ang dami din. Next namin, guys, we're going to the Central Post Office. Walking distance lang dito. And after Central Post Office, pupunta kami ng Book Street. Yes. Cute. Nauna na kami sa kanila. Papunta kami ng Book Street.
Like, tabi lang.
Oo, katabi lang siya ng Central Post Office.
Saigon book.
Ayan. Nandito na kami sa Book Street. So, done na kami with the, guys, Book Street and Central Post Office. Papunta na kami na Roomish Boutique.
Jenny.
Ay, ang
Cute,
cute.
Iba-iba yung aesthetic namin yan, di ba? Aesthetic ko para pang tita.
Kante.
Parang nakikinood na lang. Ano yung itsura ng mga tamad ng
Very kante. Imperfect Romance. This is 1.6. Medyo pricey siya, guys. Farmelia. Wow. So, ito yung steps, guys, on how to eat buncha. Yay! The food is here. It looks good. Warm. We're going to eat buncha. Also have kumquat with tamarind something. So first step, we need to add the chili and garlic inside the dipping sauce. And then next, kailangan daw i-break apart ang herbs. And then, oh, this is buncha. Grilled pork. Charan! Tapos ilalagay lang. Noodles inside. Bali, nakadip lang siya and then you just get the things you put here inside the grilled pork. Yummy!
Parang lightweight barbecue lang.
So nice!
What's your rating?
10 out of 10. I like it. It's very light. Parang ano lang siya, refreshing lang siya sa tiyan. Hindi siya yung overwhelming na lasa. Ha?
Thank you for the red watch.
Welcome! Yeah, it's very good.
Thank you.
Tamarind something. Sour plum. Oo, maasim talaga siya. Like that. They are enjoying the food.
10 out of 10.
Guys, naubos ko yung akin.
So, nasa labas ulit kami ng hotel. We're going to El Sol. Nag-aantay lang kami ng Grab. Going there. And then after El Sol, we're going to Coco Sin. And then... Coco Sin!
Kanina sa TikTok, Cocosin.
And then, mag-matcha lang kami. Wow, si Matcha Girlie!
Matcha girl.
And then, we're gonna eat pho. Pho Hao Pasture. Mission yun din siya, guys. Pho. Yan. Everyone is ready.
That's one.
Guys, this one is 2,500,000.
I think I like this. It's so girly. Wow. Ang daming magaganda dito, guys. Pero super unique nila. Parang once mo lang sila magagamit. Grabe guys, sobrang iikli ng mga ano dito. Like, ganito lang yung nakatago. Uy, ano yan? Oh, it's so nice. So, magta-try ako ng isa. So pretty.
Very nice. Sabi niya, fit niya na, pero parang bibilhin niya din, guys.
Kapag may ka-date ka, nakita ka.
Oh. Yan yung first day outfit ni Rachel Ganya, guys.
Ang ganda talaga. Ay, kung ako talaga jowain nyo na to, tingnan nyo.
This one is 1,600,000.
Yes, it's a yes, guys.
So, I'll get this one na, guys.
That's good. Dahil sa kanila. Alam niyo guys, sabi ni Ate Shell, try ko lang para sa vlog. Ang ending. Wala. Love at first sight.
Ang bango. It smells so nice. 3 million. It's so pretty. Ganda. Okay, bride to be. Gaganda. Tapos ganito yung price. Yun o. 5 million.
Oh, gusto nyo nang umuwi, gusto nyo nang kumain.
Guys, this is our style.
Wow. I think I'll ano to, parang tatry ko siya. Kasi ganda itsura niya, oh. So nice. So, ang binivisualize ko dito, parang leather jacket and then tapos naka-boots ako.
Very Korean ang attack. Oh, tapos
Small. This is small.
Energy bigla.
Pagod sila eh. Hi guys, we're here at Pho Hao Pasture. It's another Michelin guide.
Michelin
Yan ang Michelin guide restaurant here in Ho Chi Minh. Yung order namin ay combination all kinds of beef and yung price nun is 105,000 dong. Yeah.
I get this.
4. Taste test of the Vietnamese iced tea. Sabi niya parang ihi daw.
Bad trip
Hindi ko talaga maansi.
Iced tea kasi. Para siyang tea. Nilagyan na lang yan.
water, para siyang watered down na drink.
Thank you! Guys, ito na yung order namin. It's the combination all kinds of beef. Pho Hao Pasture.
Papa, hindi pa naman sila sa sila yung think 1, 2, 3, go.
Papa. Ang ingay. Papa. Papa. Hey.
Ano ba yung order?
By the way, guys,
Mixed din ba yun?
Oh, mix.
Mixed din. Pero parang mas iba-iba yung texture din. So, should be normal.
Bakery here in Vietnam, guys. Kompleto na kami. And kasama na namin si Rich.
Tada! New character.
Tidit, tidit, tidit!
Day 3. Ano kami ngayon? We're in Day 3 in Vietnam. Vietnam.
10K. Pag-grab na kami, guys. We're going to Bepquan. Gonna eat here.
Get ano din
Ito, masarap parang I mean, yung restaurant mismo, yung Michelin.
This one. Tapos, ito yung set. And then, meron pang gulay and rice. Ito. We'll get this rice.
Papakita niyo kung paano kainin. Ate, pwedeng 5 ganyan na lahat? Wow! Wow! Wow!
It smells so good.
Complete. Order complete. Wow! Ang sarap! Na yung aming pagkain. Salted fish.
Fried rice.
Sige, isa-isa. Isa-isa lang. Konti lang. Konti lang yung rice. It's konti lang, guys.
Medyo spicy konti. Parang masarap, diba?
Sinasawsaw siya, guys.
Ano ba?
Sarap! Oh, this is the wrap. Fried spring roll. Fried, parang fried pork, guys. I'll try it. I'm satisfied, guys. Ang sarap.
Hi guys, we're going to Bepquan. Papunta na kami ng Ann Coffee Shop. Nakita lang namin siya sa online. Dito kami sa Art Coffee, guys. I think I'll go with Saigon Coffee. Truffle. This one is converter to now. We're ready to order.
So we ordered Saigon Coffee. Yung Saigon Coffee, it has Vietnamese coffee, oat milk, and condensed milk. So, ito ang itsura niya. Let's mix it. Truffle.
Nokia C3 ganun.
Next stop is 11 Garmenterie, guys. Shop with me. And very streetwear ang vibes dito, guys. Hi, Reg!
I like it here.
She likes here. Parang yung iba pa Sailor Moon na. Cute na ito. Cute. This one is so nice. Oh. This one. Should I get for Korea? Guys, I'm thinking of getting this one. Is it nice? Guys, mag-fit na tayo. Get na yan. Get na daw.
Get na po yan.
The shorts. Looks like this, guys. Ano guys think? Pwede ba siya pang Korea? Looks like this with skirt, guys. Pero wag nyo isipin na polka dots yung skirt. Imagine niyo na lang na plain yung skirt ko. And then, yung statement piece is etong top. So, ito yung isa, guys. I'm not sure with this one. Para kung Merry Christmas na ewan. Or payment na kami. We got it. Done na kami sa 11 Garment Story. Papunta kami sa Naga Shoes. Walking lang kami, like 8 minutes walk papunta doon. So, this is the District 3 shopping area, guys.
So, first stop is Naga Shoes.
Naga Shoes, guys. Ang dami tao! Yay! Thank you, Koy! Cravings kami. Na-overstimulate kami sa pag-shopping. So we got mangoes on the side. 30,000 dong siya. Super nice. And ito nga niya hindi naman ganun kaanghang. And it's so yum, lalong-lalo na if pagod na kayo mag-shopping kasi nakaka-overstimulate siya. One. Ayan silang dalawa. Last part is Mosaic Space. Medyo crowd, medyo liblib siya na lugar. Sana naman sulit tong lakad na to Ganito yung itsura. Forward mirror, guys. Then here.
A verdade se esconde por trás da história. A glória de Deus, os ídolos meus. Primavera chegando e a noite caindo. Você tá dormindo, é lindo de ver. Eu pego a viola, tô me divertindo. E escrevo esse samba, eu saio da lama e quero você. Vida é água que corre, que o rio não seca. De brotar, criar, renovar, Deus dará.
I'm gonna give it a second chance kasi I didn't try yung mga recommended talaga nila last time. Yung pizza, sasarap na. We're here at 4P. Try daw namin to and also this one.
A glória de Deus, os ídolos meus. Primavera chegando e a noite.
We're gonna try red sangria here at 4P's. Try natin siya. Ay, gusto ko siya.
E quero você. Vida é água que corre, que o rio não seca. De brotar.
Guys, kitang-kita behind the scenes kung paano inaayos ang flat lay. Opo, nilalamig na po yung pagkain. Ayan po siya, no? Sobrang busy po nila. Okay, andyan na yung food. Oh, busy. I'm gonna try the crab pasta muna. I like this. It's nice, no? Sarap. Ito naman yung clam basil na pasta. Let's try it out. We done.
Ay, nagde-dessert ba tayo?
Hi guys, day 4 here in Vietnam. So, papunta kami ng Bonne Ban Nuit. And ito yung mga early birds. We're gonna eat here. Yay! May binigay na siyang bread. Ay, ang cute!
This is baguette.
Food is here. Beef sausage. Hi. Gonna devour this one. I have the bread. Matigas pa rin siya. Crispy pa rin siya. Mm. Huwag mo kalimutan ha. Ay, naku na. Hi guys, we just bought the fruits here. Dito lang sa side. Kasi fantasy namin
Fantasy
dito.
ni Joe, as in.
Ayan,
Since day
Makopa.
1.
It's so big. Look. Bumili kami ng Makopa, guys. Bumili kami ng fruits here. Say hi! Like, literal lang dito sa side. Guys, we just got the fruit. Hi guys! So, eto yung fancy cloth. Try natin siya. And gusto ko lang makita yung mga pieces. Like, in my face. Ganun. Ang social! Oh my gosh, guys! Guys, so crazy! Ang dami! Yan.
Magkano yung suot niya? 3 million.
Oh my gosh, 3 million.
How much is that? 10K?
Yeah.
Mga 10K. Tapos yung top, how much? Yung top, oh my god, 8 million.
Oh my gosh! Ang unique ng mga designs.
Magpaponse ng mga anak.
Hi guys, we're headed to the next store na nakita namin, which is Mir by He. We're gonna enter. More on linen, feminine, clean girl ang atake nito. Guys, medyo mura dito. 240k siya. Parang bet ko to, guys.
Ganda nito, grabe. Bagay rin naman ang sale.
Guys, ang daming options. Medyo na-overwhelm ko. I'm planning on getting this for ate tsaka kay mommy. This one naman. I'm not sure. Basta kahit sino sa kanila. Guys, I think I would get this one.
Kasi, oh my gosh, it looks good. Oh my gosh. Guys, nabubudol ako. Ay guys, nabubudol ako. Bilhin mo na. Ang ganda, ang ganda. Do you want the house to Sinama namin at saka sa akin. This is the shorts. Check natin yung zipper. Ako ngayon, 48. Baka naman mag-flip na ulit. Another. Okay, I'm good with Damas.
Kinakabahan na yan siya.
Hindi ko na magana yung sarili ko.
Parang madali lang yung practice natin ka.
Hindi kita nakita. Dapat ano naka-forward ka na only. Dapat ganun. Sabi niyo kasi, linglock na konti. Hindi ko na magana yung sarili ko. Balik. Ang sakit kami. Oh my God. Yung parang tayo naririnig.
Ganun yung sa akin eh.
Sakit. Ang sakit ko na yung naririnig ko nga.
Guys, we're gonna go sa cafe and tapat lang siya ng aming hotel. So guys, now we're walking, going to the Central Post Office kasi mag-city night at city bus tour kami. Pero we're targeting 5:30 nandun or mix of sunset and gabi. Night city life. Yeah.
Dito na kami sa Central Post Office. So, ito yung in-avail namin guys. 1 round city tour. Kahit saan. Oo daw. Pwede ka sumakay kahit saan. Pero dito kami nag-avail ng ticket.
Ayan, wow, we're walking na.
Lakas. Guys, welcome to my reservation.
Wow.
Yo, wait! Complete na kami! Oh. Andyan na yung mga phone namin, guys.
I love you.
Like,
Okay, let's try it.
Maglalagay ako ng phone doon.
as you can see, kami lang ang tao dito.
Pero sa baba, punong-puno sa baba.
Actually,
seats pa sa baba, hindi na tayo doon pinaupo. Pagrating pa lang eh, nakaganyan na lang.
wow, they are so happy. Happy naman sa recommendation.
Hi guys, last day here in Vietnam. So mag-broken rice kami sa street. Yes! Fantasy! Hi guys, try namin tong broken rice dito sa Vietnam which is called Com Tam. Literally, nasa corner lang siya ng building. Pero sabi nila, masarap naman siya. Or sa Flora is the key.
Flora is the
Ito na yung order namin. Grilled pork, egg, cucumbers, and then rice. And I think tinawag siyang broken rice because of...
Kasi yung size mo.
Oo, kasi yung size, para lang siyang liit-liit lang na rice. Guys, try natin to. This is Com Tam or broken rice sa kanila. This one. This is grilled pork, egg, and then cucumber, and then yung rice nila, sabi ni Joe, para daw siyang quinoa. Chili on the side.
Parang silong price na.
155 pesos. Parang siyang tocino vibes, guys. Kasi medyo matamis-tamis. Ayan, nagtitimbang na po sila. Opo. Timbangers!
Ayan. Ay! 25. 20, hindi. 23.
Okay, 23. This is mine. Nag-check out na kami sa hotel namin. And now, we're going to eat lunch here sa Man Moy. Nag-reserve kami ng 12 p.m. dito. So, kailangan talaga magpa-reserve dito kasi hindi siya basta-basta lang nakakapag-walk-in kasi yun nga, naka-reserve yung mga tables. So, and we're going to our seat. Let's go.
Hello, good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. Andito po ako ngayon sa vlog ni Rachel Ganya.
What's your IG and TikTok?
I am, wala nag-vlog niya ako. At Crystal DC. Dito mo ba ilalagay? At Crystal DC. At Crystal DC.
Ayan na, we're gonna order. Order taker. So we're here at Manoy.
Mas fair daw yung grilled pork.
Grilled pork skewers.
Ang arte.
Hindi guys, mahal, on the pricier side talaga siya. Kasi dahil siguro veggie.
Mahal maging healthy.
May award.
Yeah.
May award kasi siya guys.
Top 10 siya.
So, top 10 daw siya out of 25 na restaurant.
Vegetarian
in the whole world. Parang magazine ba?
And then, fried chicken in pandan.
Fried chicken.
Yeah, make it easy.
So, 2 passion fruit.
I ordered passion fruit, guys. Taste it. Asim. So, hindi daw silang lalagay ng sugar dito sa loob kasi depende siya sa tao. We're getting there. We're getting there. Yan. Perfect. This is the fried spring roll. Since
Parang may dahon rice pa. Huwag pa ganyan kita mo. Dito.
This one is chicken with white basil nila na fried rice.
Importante yung camera. Tutuwa ako nung
Ano official?
Nalalaban. This one supports viewers, guys. Fish something-ish. Ginamos nga. Ginamos.
Here at the cafe apartment. Hello! Hi guys, we're done with the cafe apartment.
Guys, punta tayo dito for work perfume. Scary. So, bili tayo ng perfume here sa Forward. And, hinihingal kami.
Medyo nakakahingal. Scented candle ko lang.
Oo, ito daw. So, ito yung akin, guys. Year of the Rodent. Guys, medyo nasa pricier side din pala siya.
Kunwari 100 ml, nasa 8 to 19 na siya.
Pili ng isa. Ito.
Yun na.
So, we're gonna go inside kasi dito daw yung may kabayo. Sabi, nasa Union Square kami, papunta sa Rumish Ledestion. Napunta na namin yung Rumish nila. So, this one naman is Ledestion.
Isang buong floor pala siya, like department store siya, ganun siya kalala. Like the whole building is theirs. Pero iba't ibang brand siya ng mga Vietnamese brands.
Let's eat Jollibee! Jollibee Vietnam! Sa pong C3. So, I just ordered C3, B4, at saka tropical sundae, tsaka peach mango. Baka nag-orange. Ayan yung order. Jollibee. Ng aming order. So, I have C3. Ito yung regular na chicken lang nila. Itong spaghetti nila. May konting asin itong spag. Mas tamis yung sa atin.
Kailangan talaga.
Ay, the chicken. Wala silang gravy dito, guys. Iba yung breading nila dito.
Mas crunchy.
Sa akin parang balat lang talaga siya na pinaka-crunchy. This one, parang meron sila talagang breading na ginagamit na different. Oh, na para ba naman talaga? Meron silang sweet and sour sauce. Hindi ganun kalasa yung chicken nila, unlike yung sa atin. Let's try yung peach mango drink nila. Peach mango.
Pie.
Hindi siya peach mango pie. Peach mango lang talaga siya na drink. Let's try the pumpkin soup, guys. Chicken pumpkin soup siya. Light lang siya. Wala naman something special. Pero meron siyang buo-buo na pumpkin. Now, let's try itong chili chicken nila. Wait lang. Kalasa niya yung Lala Platter na yung sauce ko doon sa Lala Platter, kalasa niya. Pero ito, may super kick lang talaga siya. This one is the Tropical Sundae, guys. Which is wala naman tayo. Hindi ko alam kung anong difference ng Tropical Sundae na ito. Para siyang may buko flakes, corn flakes, and tapioca. I like their sundae. Hindi ko alam na magko-combo sila. I mean, great combo sila. Good boy, Raj. Last meal. Guys, we're here at the airport na and we're boarding any moment now and yung flight namin is 12:30 a.m. So kinabukasan na siya and February 1. I just wanted to share lang din na low-key yung pinaka-best decision ko for this travel is nag-eSIM na ako kasi compared to last time na nag-pocket wifi lang kami. Inayos ko na siya before leaving Philippines kaya naman no hassle. Hindi ako na-stress pagkarating ko dito sa Vietnam. If you wanna do the same, you can download Aerolo app and you can use my code RachelG3 to get $3 off of your first purchase. You can just download Aerolo through the download link in the description box or you can just scan the QR code here and yeah, we're just waiting. We're almost done. Vietnam is over. Uwi na niyo kami back to the Philippines and I'll see you guys on my next travel. So, bye!